G'day viewers, Chris Atkins here. Welcome back to my channel, The Car Wash Chronicles. I'm at my brand new car wash. It's been open for a week now, but I'm yet to actually wash my own truck. So that's what we're gonna do today. You saw the renovation videos, but you haven't seen how the stuff comes out. I haven't showed that yet. Why? Who knows? But here we are today. We're gonna wash my truck and I'm gonna show you exactly how my functions are coming out at my brand new car wash. We just got done with 4 days of rain, so I made this much money in the last 4 days. Yes, winter sucks. So let's go ahead, wash my truck, show you how my functions work and how the soap comes out, and you can judge me all you want in the comments. So let's go ahead, start this damn thing. Let's go $9 so we can take our time, use all the functions, wash the truck, tap that card on there, processing. There we go. Approval. So let's go ahead, start with the tire cleaner, which is at the beginning. 12 minutes should be plenty of time. So here we go, tire cleaner like the sign says. Put that tire cleaner on there. So let's go ahead, use the triple foam because the grease is the same as the tire cleaner. Let's see how it comes out. I go to all these other car washes judging. Now it's time for you guys to judge me. A little splattery. Gotta give it some more chemical, thicken it up. See, I could have prepped it perfectly for the film, for the footage right here. But I didn't want to. I just wanted to show up, test it, and film the reality of how it comes out. But now I'm going to make the adjustments, and I can simply just make the liquid go up a tip size in the hydrominder and thicken it up a little bit so it comes out in one nice stream without that splattering, because I hate that splattering. Even though it's plenty of soap coming out, I don't want the splattering. I want it to be nice, even, kind of like the blue comes out. So the blue I must have a bigger tip in. Note to self, stop the splattering on the triple foam. That's my goal today. A little better. Yeah, a little less splattery than before. 98% there. Yeah, that's pretty good. Moving on, high pressure soap. See how it comes out, how long is it gonna take? Look at that. There it is. Nice and quick. About 6 seconds. There's a good amount coming out. Yeah, not too little, not too light. It's just right. Normally I would do the soap brush after the triple foam, but for the sake of this video and just testing things, here we are. Again, I didn't adjust anything prior to this video. I just showing you how it comes out. So that's pretty good. Pretty good, come on now. I don't want to be biased, but nice big blob every second. I mean, what would I do? More liquid, more air? Go up a size in the hydrominder? I don't think so. I'm good with that. Let's put it on the truck. Too much? Maybe. Better than not enough. Let's go ahead. Rinse that off. I just want to clear the line so we can do the wax. There we go, waxy. Let's see, hopefully it comes out really quickly. There it is. Cover that car in wax. Spot free. I love the spot free here. Pressure's really good. Still got the wax in the lines, but that's the pressure of the spot free, which I love. And what I love about this spot free system here that came with the car wash is it's very spot free. Tested it and it didn't leave any spots on the truck. So I really love the spot free here, and I'm confident I don't have to run inside the motor room and hide when I see customers using it. Yeah, car wash owners, you know, when you got a bad product, you're going inside that motor room to hide. Don't lie, don't say you don't. And then the air dryer. Let me rinse off the entire car first. It's like I'm in the snow. Santa. Now let's go ahead, try this almighty air dryer. It ramps up slowly so it doesn't go straight to 100. It's like, and that's, well, you can see it blowing the soap from there. And there you have it, folks. Lots of soap, clean. It's me right there. So clean I can see my reflection. Now you have seen how my self-serve car wash product works, how it comes out. And that's it. Covina car wash is done. It's complete. There's really nothing else to do. So come on down, guys. Check it out. Be a customer. Test it all out and give me the feedback. Leave a review on Google or whatever. So thanks for watching, guys. I'm Chris Atkins with the Car Wash Chronicles. I will see you all next time.